Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually create a crew logo in Blox Fruits and get a decal link. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is actually open up your browser and go to the Roblox website and log into your existing account. Now from there we head down to the Create tab right here. And this will take you to this page. Now once you're here, simply go to the top left where the burger menu appears. Now this drop down menu opens up and here you go to your creations. Inside your creations you have four options. We choose the development items and here we go to the decals, as you can see right here. Now here we need to upload an asset. Now this is our actual photo we're going to use for a crew logo. So simply press upload. Choose an image of your liking. Now let's say I want this image. Now make sure that the image has a max size of 20 megabits and it's smaller than 8000 pixels by 8000 pixels. Now here we create a description. Now let's say it's the crew logo for Blox Fruits, so we can recognize it. Simply press upload. We can name our picture as well. And now the asset has been saved, as you can see right here. This will take a couple of seconds, but this is the most important part. Now from here we go back to Roblox again, so simply type in Roblox. This will take us to the official Roblox website, and it's important to, from here, open up your inventory. And this will take you to this place, and here we need to find the decal option right here. Now as you can see, my image that has been created is right here, and it's very important to open it up and go to the tab right here, the link, and you copy it. This is very important, so simply copy it. And now I'm going to open the Blox Fruit games and check it out to actually create a crew logo with the given image. Now as you can see, the game has loaded up, and all you need to do is from here go down right beside the settings, open up the pirate, the little pirate icon, and here you can actually insert the link that you've just copied by pressing Ctrl+V, and that's it. Simply press enter, and now the logo should be set. Now as you can see, mine didn't load because it was still loading in Roblox, so make sure to wait a bit before the logo appears in your Roblox browser, and that should be it. Now if you still get any other questions, please leave them in the comments down below. I'll try my very best to help you, and if this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching.